Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is redemption. It is pronounced redemption, and it is spelt R-E-D-E-M-P-T-I-O-N. Think red, as in the colour, E-M-P, and then tune. Redemption has two meanings. It can mean something that saves someone from error or evil, or it can be the action of regaining or gaining possession of something in exchange for payment or clearing a debt. So, for example, you could say, the criminal hoped to earn redemption for his crimes by now acting as a hero. The word redemption comes from the Old French redemption, and directly from the Latin redemptionem, meaning the buying back, releasing, or ransoming of something. In this case, we can think about redemption as the buying back of something that is lost, either an item or an action that redeems previous bad behavior. Have you ever heard the phrase beyond redemption? Can you guess what it might mean? Beyond redemption means too bad to be improved or saved. For example, you could say the tennis match was beyond redemption by the third game, meaning the person who was losing the tennis match is in such a bad position that they cannot salvage the game or the match. Another usage could be the evil pirate was beyond redemption, meaning the evil pirate had committed so many bad deeds in his life that really there was no saving or forgiving him. Redemption is a noun, and therefore it is a naming word. For example, you could say, my sister hoped doing extra chores at home would earn her redemption for staying out late the night before. Redemption is defined in the dictionary as an occasion when someone is saved from evil or suffering, or the act of exchanging something, usually to clear a debt. Redemption synonyms include saving or freeing from sin, vindication, absolution, retrieval, recovery, reclamation, repossession, atonement, restitution, reclamation, reparation, and retrieval. Antonyms include hopelessness, forfeiture, abandonment, loss, deprivation, sacrifice, betrayal, and damnification. See if you can notice anyone trying to redeem themselves today. Maybe they did something bad and they are trying to correct it. Impress your friends and family by using your new word, redemption. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.